Hi, my name is Bella, and I am here to tell you how to make an effective donation. Here are things you will need: food for the people to eat, water for them to drink, and some nice clothes for them to wear. You will also need a camera, because the camera is going to record you going around and giving the stuff to people that need it. Right after that, you will post a video that you just made to a social media that you know and you can post videos on, like YouTube. You will do that because you will eventually become an idol, and people will follow you and what you are doing. Did you know that Manila, Philippines, has the most homeless person in the whole entire world? Did you know that Finland is the exact opposite of Manila, Philippines? Did you know that Africans love giving? Did you also know that people that earn less gives more? Let's bet you didn't. Humans like me and you should be more grateful on what we have, because some people might not have what we have. I believe there are two types of donations. One is about you giving a part of your body or somewhere in your body to someone that needs it. The other one, I believe, is when you buy stuff and give the stuff to people that need it. We are lucky for what we have, but some people are not. Now, I want you to imagine that you, yourself, is a homeless person, and you are on the streets. You are cold, hungry, and helpless. And then suddenly, a random person comes up to you. The person gives you the stuff you need. How grateful and happy would you be? I know if I was a person, I would be very happy. Now, let's try to be that person that helps and brighten up people's days.